Hello everyone, this is Riddhi from Agri Analyze. In this video, we will see about genotypic path analysis. Now we will go to our dataset. Here is our dataset. First column is genotype, second is replication, and 5 different variables are present over here. Genotype will be G1 up to the G40 and replication will be R1, R2 and R3. Now we will save this file. Click on File, Save As. We have to save this file in a CSV format UTF-8. Now we will close this file. Now go to the Agri Analyze website, then click on Genotypic Path Analysis. Now here we have to upload our CSV file. Select column as genotype. Select column as replication. Select dependent variable as GY. Now click on submit button. Here you will have to pay some nominal charges for the download option. Now click on submit. From here you can download the analysis report. In this path coefficient matrix, the data on diagonal is direct effect and the data on the off diagonal is indirect effect. Now we will move forward to the path analysis diagram. Here GY will be the dependent variable and other 5 variables are present over here. Now we will move forward to the output PDF. This is the output PDF file containing interpretation of the result. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching.